Hi guys, so I don't know, I haven't made a video in ages, and today I'm just going to be showing you I'm in a tree. Show you down. My brother, wave. Can you see yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, just chilling in a tree. So don't know if you guys want some uni like requests of what videos I want me to do, because I've like run out of stuff to do. So I've got a twitch in my leg. Mine is like zzz, so yeah. Yeah, I'm in a tree. I like trees.
I love.
Do you like trees? You gotta like trees. Trees are my friend. My best friend here. He's called Trevor, but it's Trevor. Trevor is his name. Yep, that's the one. So thought I'd just tell you that I'm in a tree. Yeah, pretty much. See ya. I'm not going yet. I don't want to go. So what should we do? Ooh, birdie! Whoa! It's going down!